Now, Disney is separating the groups that create content from a new group that's going to be focused on distributing content. They say this will enable more nimble decision making about how content is released. Here's what Disney CEO Bob Chapek told me about why he's making this move right now.
COVID accelerated the rate at which we made this transition, but this transition was going to happen anyway, because essentially what we want to do is separate out the folks who make our wonderful content based on tremendous franchises from the decision making in terms of where the prioritization is in terms of how it gets commercialized into the marketplace.
Disney shares moving higher this morning, now up over 3%, on Disney saying that digital distribution and Disney Plus are a top priority. Theater stocks, though, tumbling on this news, and AMC saying its cash will be depleted by the end of this year or early next if these trends persist.
We are tilting the scale pretty dramatically towards our direct-to-consumer platforms. We're going to be increasing our investment in content that's going to fuel the machines in direct-to-consumer.
Loop Capital upgrading Disney to buy, saying, quote, no investor will disagree that the future, or arguably the present, is all about streaming, and sacrificing current profits to be better positioned for streaming is the correct move. Now, Needham is more cautious, warning, quote, that Disney's streaming services monetize Disney's fabulous content at a steep discount to linear TV and theatrical releases. Therefore, a strategy which prioritizes streaming feels economically risky to us. We'll, of course, learn more about this strategy at an investor day, which Disney has just scheduled for December 10th. Guys?
Yeah, Julie, I think important always to stress here, they're still losing money on this. I mean, it's an enormous investment for Disney that continues. And I guess some analysts are wondering, is this going to change the way they report those losses? Do you have any insight at all?
Well, look, I think we'll learn a lot more about not only whether or not this is losing money or how much money it's losing, but also how many subscribers Disney Plus has. Now, the last number, David, we have on Disney Plus is 60 million subscribers. They hit that target much earlier than anticipated. But I think there are questions about how much they've been able to grow those subscriber numbers after scaling them so quickly. So I think we'll get more in earnings, and then, of course, get more when they do that investor day in December. But I think they'll likely have to reorganize the way they report these revenues now that they've restructured the company so much.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.